Hi everyone, I'm Mammon, a professional digital marketer from Bangladesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's digital era, search engine optimization, or SEO, is the key to online success. SEO is the process of improving a website so that it ranks higher on search engines, especially Google. When someone searches for specific information or products, the websites that appear on the first page get the most clicks and visits. SEO mainly works in three areas: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. By optimizing content, backlinks, and the technical structure of a website, SEO increases its visibility on search engines. Nowadays, SEO is essential for any business, blog, or service. It not only drives traffic but also enhances brand credibility and boosts sales. Social media marketing, or SMM, is the process of promoting products, services, or brands on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. It helps businesses connect with their audience, increase engagement, and build brand awareness. SMM includes creating quality content, running ads, and interacting with followers. By using social media effectively, businesses can attract more customers, grow their reputation, and increase sales. In today's digital world, social media marketing is essential for any business or brand to succeed online. Google and Facebook ads are powerful tools for online advertising. They allow businesses to reach their target audience quickly and effectively. Google ads appear in search results when people look for products or services, while Facebook ads show up on users' feeds based on their interests and behavior. By using these ads, businesses can increase traffic, generate leads, and boost sales. In today's digital world, Google and Facebook advertising is essential for any business to grow online. Freelancing is a flexible way to work online and earn money by offering your skills and services. To succeed as a freelancer, it is important to focus on quality, professionalism, and building a strong portfolio. Some key tips include: 1. Choose your niche wisely. Specialize in what you are best at. 2. Build a good profile. Showcase your skills, experience, and past work. 3. Communicate clearly. Always respond promptly and professionally to clients. 4. Deliver on time. Meet deadlines to build trust and get repeat clients. By following these tips, freelancing can become a successful career or a side income. Thank you so much for watching this video. Folded hands, I hope you found it useful and learned something new today. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and updates. Your support means a lot and helps us create even better content for you. See you in the next video. Stay curious, keep learning, and have a great day. Glowing star.